Now children, we start the chapter. And we start the chapter with the modern periodic law. Please see here. Modern periodic law. What is modern periodic law and what does it states? The modern periodic law states that the physical and chemical properties of the elements. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. This is also referred to as the long form of the periodic table, which is divided into groups and periods. There are 18 vertical columns. There are 18 vertical columns called groups and 7 horizontal rows called periods. You have studied this in class 10. Now let us come to the nomenclature part. Whenever there is a discovery of a new element, it has to be given some name, and it is the IUPAC which decides how to assign a name to the new element. This is called nomenclature. All the new elements which are discovered are assigned the name by IUPAC. What is IUPAC? IUPAC is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Let us now study the nomenclature. What do you mean by nomenclature? Please see here. Nomenclature. In nomenclature, I just told you the IUPAC assigns the names to the new elements. The IUPAC has made recommendation that until a new element discovered is proved and its name is officially recognized, a systematic nomenclature be derived directly from the atomic number of the element using the numerical roots for 0 and numbers 1 and 9. Numerical roots 0 and numbers 1 to 9. Now here I will tell you some examples. If the digit is 0, we see here. If the digit, I am showing you, this is the digit. This is the column for digit. This is the column for name, and this is the column for abbreviations. Now, if the digit is 0 here, the name is nil, N-I-L, and abbreviation is small n. If the digit is 1, it is un, and abbreviation is u. If the digit is 2, it is bi, and abbreviation is b. If the digit is 3, the name is tri, and abbreviation I tell you is t. If it is 4, the name is quad, Q-U-A-D, and it is q. If the digit is 5, it is called pent. I was telling this, and abbreviation is p. This we can continue up to 10 digits. Now, how to name an element? We have got problem 3.1. Problem is 3.1. What is 3.1? Please be very, very careful. I am discussing the short example 3.1. What does 3.1? What does 3.1 tells you? It says what would be the IUPAC name and symbol for the element with atomic number 20. Atomic number 20. atomic number, 1 to 20. You have to assign the IUPAC name and symbol. Now, if we look at the table, the rules for 1, 2 and 0 are un, by and nil. Un, by and nil. The rules are un, by and nil respectively. Hence, the symbol and name respectively are, this is the symbol UBN and the name is unbinium. UNBINI. Be careful. UNBINILIUN. This is the way to study the nomenclature. We now come to the electronic configuration of elements and the periodic table. What do you understand by electronic configuration? For electronic configuration, we have again to go to the periodic table. Here, if we take S block, this is called S block 1 and this is called S block 2. In S block 1, we have one electron in the valence shell and the journal EC is NS1. For this, which is known as alkaline earth elements, the journal EC is NS2. And now we are coming to the transition elements. Let us come to the transition